superhero in the kitchen needs superpowers. With super convection technology, we put the power of air frying, dehydrating and proofing dough at your fingertips. It's supersized with more space to feed the whole family. A super powered oven that never tires, always rises to the occasion, conquers the night, saves the day, never sleeps, makes the impossible look easy and the everyday extraordinary. The Breville Smart Oven Air, the super new addition to the world's most awarded compact oven.
Idea Commercial Microwave Oven has been serving the convenience stores and cafes in America. Common commercial microwave ovens on the market, there are problems such as waste of manpower, low efficiency, and incorrect heating time, which will reduces customer satisfaction in business operations. Midea Scan and Go intelligent commercial microwave oven came into being for solving this problem. Super Function 1. One-click input menu is uploaded to the flash tube, and its stores can share all the menus and update them synchronously at any time. Super Function 2. Customer self-service code scanning. Get the most accurate heating time and temperature in a short time. More convenient, faster, and make your foods more delicious. Scan and Go, your best business partner from Midea.
At Best Reviews, we help shoppers find the best products on the market. We take popular items and put them to the test, just like you would use them at home, to see if they deliver what the manufacturer promises. This way, you have all the information you need before you buy. Today, we're trying out the DeLonghi 9-in-1 Air Fry, Convection Oven, Broiler, and Baker that comes with pizza and cookie presets. DeLonghi says that this 9-in-1 Air Fry Convection Oven delivers quick, crispy results with minimal oil. The brand markets this air fry convection oven as a more compact, energy-efficient alternative to a full-size oven. Here's a recap of our pros and cons. First, the pros. The DeLonghi air fry oven is a versatile countertop appliance that can do almost everything your range can do in only a fraction of the space. We especially liked that it could air fry and had special settings for cookies and pizza alongside the typical countertop oven features. We could see using an appliance like this to completely replace our toaster and air fryer, or to supplement a normal range for bigger meals. We were especially impressed with how little heat the oven generated, even though we used it for several hours straight. Now the cons. Because the cook time starts immediately after the preheating is finished for most functions, you need to be ready to put your food in the oven as soon as it's heated to the right temperature. We also noticed that it's difficult to get the rack into the lowest position unless the handle on the door completely clears the countertop when opened. The air fryer takes longer than our traditional air fryer to cook, but you don't have to air fry in batches since you have a bigger basket. The bottom line. The DeLonghi Air Fry Convection Oven is a convenient and easy-to-use way to cook most of your favorite dishes. The 9 presets make it simple to put together a meal without giving much thought to temperature settings and cook times. And the large glass door and internal light allows you to check in on your food quickly and easily. It looks sleek and doesn't take up a lot of space or throw off much heat, making it a great option to replace several appliances at once in your kitchen.
Blümlein JU3200 is a combination convection steam oven that allows you to cook like never before. Still having trouble choosing between a steam oven or a convection oven? Blümlein is the best of both worlds. A traditional steam oven can heat up your food quickly and keep it moist, but your food may come out soggy. On the other hand, a convection oven may produce a crispy, evenly browned result, but can leave your food dry and hard to swallow. Blümlein perfectly combines steam and convection functions to give you shorter cooking times and moist, juicy food with a crispy exterior. So what makes Blümlein JU3200 so special? It's your perfect 10-in-1 kitchen solution. Steam, high-temperature steam, grill, convection, combi, preheat, defrost, fermentation, sterilize, and descale functions, all in one convenient package. The generous interior space measures 1.14 cubic feet and can accommodate a whole 3.5-pound chicken, a 10-inch pizza, an 8-inch chiffon cake, 18 egg tarts, 16 chicken wings, and even a large tomahawk cut of steak. Instead of the 80 to 120 minutes max steam time of other brands, cooking could be extended to approximately 180 minutes with a full reservoir of Blümlein, thanks to its advanced Air Plus technology. This feature also guarantees less steam would be expelled from the oven during cooking, which provides better protection for your kitchen cabinets. A 304 stainless steel interior, anti-scald 3-layer glass door with aluminum handle, and the removable upper stainless steel heating element make this oven safe and durable. Cooking a gorgeous meal for your whole family with Blümlein steam convection oven is simple and easy. Now, enjoy moist, crispy, and most important, healthy food with the Blümlein steam convection oven.